boys and girls, today we will continue TK Math, and today we will continue with 6.5. So make sure you guys have your 6.5 papers handy. All right, are we ready to go? Okay, awesome. Also, we will need some cubes. It could be beans, toy cars, it could be markers, crayons, 14 pencils, anything that you have that's the number 14, okay? So make sure you have pennies, blocks, anything that you may have close by. Go ahead and gather 14 items. Make sure you put them on the side because we will be needing those. Not yet, but we will need it, so go ahead and pause me if you need to, okay? All right, go ahead and gather your items and then come right back. Awesome. Okay, if you are back with me, then that means you have your 14 items. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Our objective and what we're going to do today is we're going to continue recognizing and counting groups of 10 and some more. So what we've been working on, boys and girls, is bigger numbers, but we're going to make it as easy as possible, okay? So the best way to do that is by remembering, in this circle, I have 10 hearts. Let's count them together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I put a circle around these 10 hearts because I know I counted it and it had 10. So do I need to count those 10 circles again? Those 10 hearts, I'm sorry? No, I don't. Okay? So I already know that, okay? Just like I know that if I look at this number, oh, sorry. If I look at this number, it says the number, good, the number 10. Just like I know in this circle, I have 10. Same here. I know that the 1 and a 0 is a 10. 10 is a hero. A 1, then a 0. I know that because I'm so smart and I remember that. So I am going to tell you that no matter what, if you always see a 1 and then a 0, you'll know that it's a 10. Now, nothing is going to change if I add that 1, because if I add a 1 and I take away my 0, right, I hide my 0 with a 1, I know that I have 1 10 and 1 more. So I have 10, say 10, and 1 more. Because all I did is add 1 more, right? Because look, I still have 10. My 1 isn't changing. That means I still have 10. Good. So I'm not changing that. I have 10 no matter what. Okay, here we go. 10 and 1. 10 and 2. 10 and 3. And then today we're going to have 10 and 4. So what would 10 and 4 look like? Good. Okay, good. Very good. So 10 would look like this, 10 and 4 more. And some more, right? How many more? Good, 4. So it would look like 10, because I know I have 10. I'm not changing that. And then I'm just going to do how many more? Good, 4 more, because I know I'm working with 10 because I still have a 1. As long as that 1 doesn't change, I know that I still have 10. Very good. My 10 is still there, okay? 1, that's 10, and 4. So you'll always look at this one here, and I'm going to put a little red line under it. If that one says 1, then I know I always will have 10, and now I have 10 and 4. Good. So today our number is 10 and 4. Okay, 10 and 4. So we will practice by grabbing our belongings now, our 14 belongings. It could be any pennies, cubes, anything that you may have, toys, markers, crayons, as long as you have 14, okay, 10 and 4, okay, and this is how we're going to practice counting and making sure you guys got the right amount, okay, here we go. Make sure you have 10 first, so I'm going to grab my cubes, 10 first, okay, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 10. 10. Because, remember, the number 1 says I have 10. Okay? So if I have 10, whoopsie daisy, I dropped one. All right, if I have 10, I'm going to put them on the side because I know I have 10. And I don't have to count them again because I already know I have 10. Now, I want you guys to grab 4 more because I need 4 more, right? 10 and 4. 10 and 4 more. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I know that, boys and girls, if I grab my first 10, okay, if I grab my first 10, I know that in this hand, I have 10 because we counted them. 10 and how many more? Good, 4 more. So now I know I have 10 and 4. Very good, boys and girls. Now I want you guys to count your own. Anything you want to grab. I want you to then take a picture of what you found. And I want you to put them together in a group of 10 and 4 more. Okay, 10 and 4 more. When you guys are done, please take a picture of it and post it on Seesaw for me so I can see, okay? Take a picture of yourself and send it to me on Seesaw. Say, Mom, take a picture so I can show Ms. D that I did my math assignment, okay? And then I want you guys to finish practicing by doing all the lessons on 6-5. 6-5. It'll be really good practice for us to learn how to write 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4. Okay? Remember, 10 is always going to be the number 1 that you see in each number. Okay? The 10. It'll always be 10 and some more. 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4. Okay? Boys and girls, make sure you take a picture of your work. Send it to me on Seesaw. I will see you on Hangout.